Now folks, you know Angela can be pretty forward and forceful. Now I have to appease, and she says we need a couple of medium vases yet to finish the house. Thought you might want to see it right here on my take on Home and Garden. So today we have a medium size orange vase. I think this acorn will probably be just about my tallest piece. And I like to start out with my background, which would be some ferns. And mostly, of course, we're going to use some ferns that are changing into fall. Now here's a fiddler fern I talk about all the time. Here's a ostrich fern. Now, is anybody not getting into the fall feeling yet? I know I want the weather to come for us. It has been brutal here in Florida. We're still in the 90s, upper 90s, every day, not a break. Okay, so last of the peonies, we're gonna put that in for contrast. You'll see how that works later. It doesn't look like fall right now, but we'll mute that down with some fall colors. Gotta have some lavender in here. Go wonderful. You wouldn't think that would work with orange, but in the fall, now I like that. And we need to make it a little more roasty, toasty. Maybe a lighter accent in the back. Got these wonderful acorn picks from Hobby Lobby. Here's, you hear me say it all the time, the crab apple. And as the season, I love it because they have every color in the rainbow. As the season moves on, these get more ripe and ready, just like the real ones. So we have that. Going on in our arrangement as well. How can you beat the little sunflowers and black-eyed Susans for fall? Here's where we start taming down that peony. I think I'm liking these. Chrysanthemums. Maybe this white element. Creamy white. No. Creamy white still works. Now we'll need some accents in here. These little pale orange daylilies are going to push us over the top and give us that fall tone. Look what that does. Just a sprinkling of those. This lets you have a really just a sweet, colorful arrangement, but still clearly it's for fall. I got some peaches here. I think it'd be cute because peaches come in for about 3 months, depending on the variety, and they're still coming up north. really sweet. Here is one of my favorite vases. No hiding it. This bronze trophy shape in the Baroque or Rococo Italian Renaissance Revival style, and it is heavy, but it is so pretty. And as we talked before, the bronze is very dark, so we'll counter that. You see, we're going with this grassy stem that's turning. It's got some violet in it, and these delicate lacy ferns for the background. We're going to do that again because we can, just we have to. So now that's cute just with the ferns. Let's see what else we can do. Oh boy. I've got this pomegranate branch this year. How cute can it get? Look at this. Oh my goodness. That makes me wanna see how we've pulled the same color out of the fern into the fruit, and we're gonna work our way around. This is a little long. Keying off those different tones, and then of course we have our wonderful wisteria. That'll complement that. See, we have our turning fern on the left, so we'll want to get that color over here on the opposite side. I want it to stand up as straight as it can, because they do just hang. But I don't want it hanging on the table. So we'll fill in underneath. There we go. See? To help that stay up. Really just loving those tones. Need something in the front, the acorns. Give it some help standing up there. How about a clover branch? I think we need this changing fern again on the right. We have some in the back, but now we just want to get that piece in the front. How many times have you heard it? More lavender. Hope you never get tired of it. Here to inspire and have fun. Hopefully give you a different angle on things. Now here's again just a creamy white branch in there for some contrast. And look what that does. We're still not going to be done until we get our highlights in. I think we need these little cute little peach cups in the mix as well. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Again, these little daylilies used to grow wild where I come from. and they grew and bloomed all summer right into fall till the first frost that took them out. So we're gonna get that around even, these little pieces come up in the back. And another bunch of crab apples, a little more stubborn to turn. This one will be void of yellow. And to complement those creams, one more roasty, toasty, creamy berry bush branch in there to top that off. Alrighty folks, we're going to take a look and show you all around. Hey, so if you liked our video today, please give us a thumbs up, a like, a share, a subscribe. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.